This is an all-day restaurant which beautifully turns into a high-energy bar in the night. And when we say that, it means we are not leaving no stone unturned. It's a global cuisine where there is everything from Chinese, North Indian, Pan Asian, and Italian as well. Kush Trivedi, I'm the managing director at Innato Hospitality, which has brought a lot of the drinks Hyderabad.
At Innato Hospitality, which brings this brand to Hyderabad.
Yes. So today we are having a lovely lunch and session organized for our friends in the media fraternity, where they have been very gracious to come and try our food and the drinks what we have to offer. When it comes to our menu, we have not limited it to any particular cuisine. We go from every single corner, every part is touched. Let it be North Indian, Pan Asian, Italian, continental, all of that is covered. We didn't want to stop at just the Indian borders. We have gone ahead, brought in multiple flavors from different, like for example, we have the Sri Lankan chicken curry, which is an authentic chicken curry from Sri Lanka. We said, why should we stop in India? Why don't we bring that as well? There are multiple other things, like there is the black bean chicken. Then there is blueberry papdi chaat. It's papdi chaat straight from the streets of Delhi, but then a bit of a twist in between with the blueberry flavor. So this, then there's mutton rogan josh is the authentic one. And then yes, there are multiple other things which you guys will have to come and try, and we hope we have kept it very basic but very rich on flavors. Our paneer lababdar, our dal makhni or dal fry, at least for the people who have tried it, they say it's the best in the city as of now, because it is being made by the North Indians themselves. They have come down. We have a team of chefs which have come down from Delhi, and they have created what they are known for best for. So that is there, and of course butter chicken, which we all love. that is there again, authentic from Delhi.
Hello everyone, this is your Manara Chopra and please subscribe to City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Raghu Kunche. Please subscribe City Light E-News.
This is Amardeep Chaudhary. Please subscribe to City Lights E-News. Watch it.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, నా పేరు ఊహ. అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి సిటీ లైట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, this is Adi Pinisetti. Subscribe to City Lights E-News.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ నిఖి గల్రాని. డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను పాయల్ రాజ్పూర్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Please do subscribe to City Lights E-News.
I am Sandhi Meghna. Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
This is Manas Nagulpalli. Please like, share and subscribe to City Lights E-News.
నేను మీ లహరి షేర్. సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసింది. సో బీ రెడీ ఫర్ న్యూ అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hi guys, this is Kajal. Do subscribe to City Light E-News.
నేను మీ సెట్. సో మీ అందరినీ సెట్ చేయడానికి సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ అని ఎక్సైటింగ్ అప్డేట్స్ తో రాబోతుంది. సో డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
నేను మీ విశ్వ. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Subscribe to City Light E-News.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం, మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hi, this is Geeta Bhagat. Please subscribe City Light E-News.